Chidi is not real. He has his wife and 3 kids abroad. Run for your dear life. Anonymous. And who could this be?
I wouldn't know. I wouldn't know.
So what do you want to do about this?
I don't know. That's why I came to you. I need your advice. What do I do?
I think you should confront him now.
You think that's a good idea?
Yes. Yes, you have to.
But Joy, I'm confused. Honestly. Chidi said that he has never been in love before. He said those women that cluster around him, they are coming because of his money. So this message, I mean, I'm confused. I can't place it. I don't know where it's coming from. And I'm confused, honestly.
Boss, this is the right time to confront him. Ask him about this. You have to. You have your evidence now.
If you say so. Thank you.
And I will love you with everything I've got, with everything I own. I'm gonna love you. You're the woman of my dreams.
That's not funny.
Don't mind me. Yeah, I think I know where this is coming from.
You do?
Yes, I do.
Where is it coming from?
Your ex. Your most recent ex.
Namdi.
Yes, Namdi. He met me the other night at the club and he walked up to me and was complaining about how I ruined his marriage, his relationship, his opportunities. Like, can you imagine that dude, man? And he said he's going to ruin our marriage. Like, that is the most ridiculous thing I've heard. That guy is a fool. A big fool.
Why didn't I think... I mean... Namdi is a fool. A big one at that. What does he take you for? He thinks you're a low life like him?
I think he's just realizing his mistakes. He's jealous, yeah. Very jealous. A jealous dude. I could see it in his eyes.
That was a guy I picked from the gutters. Brushed him up. And he had the guts to gossip me with his friends. Telling them that he's just with me because of my money, that he wants to grab as much as he can and marry his girlfriend afterwards. That nothing will make him marry me. Can you imagine that?
That guy is a fool. He's a big fool. Till the end of his life, he will never find such a beautiful lady like you. He wasted his time. There's no going back again. I'll just let the jealous kid go. Okay?
Lisa, I'm happy now.
Yes, we are both happy. Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm so proud of you. You're the best.
Imagine. This Nnamdi is a fool. What's that guy sent to be your nightmare?
He's a loser. A big one. Nandi will never amount to anything in life.
Anyways, thank God the storm is over.
It's over. And thank you for your advice. You are the best. I trust your judgment.
It's my pleasure, Ma. I will always be there for you.
Thank you.
You're a good person.
Woo! Now I'm good.
I think we should go for Abuja because immediately after the wedding we'll leave from Nnamdi Azikiwe Airport to Paris, France.
Oh yes. For our honeymoon.
Well, to get a hall that can accommodate up to 1,000 people and fully air conditioned will cost you guys a fortune.
Then tell us the fortune, we can afford it, right?
Yes, money is not the problem.
Very well done. I think we should go for the biggest hotel in Abuja.
Okay.
Yeah, their hall will serve, but it's very, very expensive. Hope you guys are game.
Like I said before, money is not the problem. Give us the best.
It's fine. I'll give you guys the best. That's why I'm here.
Honey, who is that?
It's my colleague, it's a business partner. Yeah.
Okay, I think you should excuse yourself and take the call. Maybe use the restroom so you don't interrupt. See? You don't interrupt the meeting.
Exactly.
Oh, okay. It's alright. I'll meet you up shortly, okay?
Alright.
Alright, thank you. Okay.
Okay, so regardless of the price, I want you to give us the best.
Trust me.
You know we're expecting dignitaries.
I know. I will give you the best.
So, counting on you.
What is your problem? What exactly is your problem? Why can't you just stick to a simple plan? Eh? Yes, the wedding is... How do you expect me to get access to her without getting married to her? Eh? Can you just let me talk? Let me talk! Can you just hear yourself? So you think I will leave you and my 3 sons? Just let me get access to this money and I will divorce her. See, look, I am in a very important meeting. Stop disrupting this meeting. Don't call this number again. Eh? Just listen, huh?
Even you.
Madam, I think we need to
The wedding is cancelled.
What? Madam! I don't understand. After all my effort.
I have given up on men. I have given up on marriage. Chizzy, in all his wealth, that is it. He is not who he claims to be. His wife abroad is probably the owner of the money he's enjoying. So sad. So sad. Joy, what did I do? Where have I gone wrong? Why is my own different? Why can't men see me and love me for who I am? Why? I want to get married to my own man. I want to raise my own children. But why can't I see someone that will love me for who I am? Why can't they just love me for who I am? Is that too much for me to ask? Joy, is that too much for me to ask? Jesus! Hey! I have a plan. Can I hear it?
When she brought up the idea, I didn't think it twice. Because I know that this is the only way I can find true love. So I came to this town. And I decided to survey the area. And also to find a place I can walk. One day I was passing by your shop and I saw you standing outside. Immediately I saw you standing outside your shop, my heart skipped. Goodness. And I prayed to God. I did a silent prayer in my heart. I prayed and I begged God to bless me. To heal my soul with a man like you. The next day, I deliberately walked past your shop to know if I can see you again. But instead, I saw your notice of a sales girl. And I said to myself, this is fate at work.
Well, I'm really sorry for everything you went through.
Thank you.
I've had my own experience, just like yours, but not as grievous as yours, though. No.
Boss? You can go through these quotations. There's a slight difference between this one and the first one. But in the same category. This is a $10 million project. If we are able to complete it, we are going to be $5 million richer.
Okay. I like the sound of that. All right, why don't you go sign and I'll countersign, huh?
Okay.
Okay, that's good. James.
Yeah?
I want to ask a question.
Okay, go ahead.
Is it possible for a woman to fall in love with me just for who I am? Okay, not wealth. And if it's possible, where do I find such a woman?
Boss, please give me 10 minutes to sort out things in my office. I'll get back to you.
Very well.
Sir, the truth is that you cannot be separated from your world.
Look, James, I understand this. I understand this for a fact. But you see, I need a woman who will love me for me, all right? I need true love, James. I know, of course, all these women hovering around me are just with me because of what I have. That is not what I want. No. Look, James, look, I need a plan right now. Not just a business plan, but an emotional one. Because...
Okay, sir. Just listen. See what we're going to do. We're going to buy or rent a house somewhere. Say, public house, face me and face you house, where you'll be living as a tenant. And we'll also maybe rent a shop in the city, say, selling a provision store where we'll be managing.
We'll buy a house, rent a shop, public house.
Face me and face you.
I like the plan. Yes, I like the plan. I like the plan. Okay.
And so we are going to buy a house that is not fully occupied.
Okay.
Where we will have our staffs as tenants living in that place. Starting from your gate man, your cook, your housekeeper, and your driver.
I like this plan. I like it. So, you know, what town would this be? You know, because I need somewhere that people don't know me.
So just make a choice.
Yeah, like I said, I want somewhere nobody knows me.
It's all, your brand is more popular than your face. It's just few that knows you. A lot hears your name, but they don't know you in person. So probably you go out of Abuja, down to the east. And another, I am going to still play as your friend who has the money. Then you go down, you'll be very poor, managing that store in the city. Like a wretched man.
I hate you right now. Okay, all right. Yeah, I like this. I like this. Let's make this happen.
Okay.
Yes, let's make this happen.
Deal. Mind you, I'm your guy now. You're the poor man.
For now.
So can you call me sir before we leave?
You're very stupid.
So that's what we're going to do.
So I'd say our meeting is quite divine. There's more to it than meets the eye. I wouldn't call it coincidence, but I'll call it destiny.
Yes. It's destiny at work.
The search is over. We found each other. And we're keeping each other. I love you.
I love you more. Good morning. Fine, thank you.
Yeah. Are you still in bed?
Yes, I slept late last night.
Yes. I'm actually calling you to let you know I'm in the hotel right now. I have a flight to Abuja. This town has given me the woman I want, the woman of my dreams, so I'm fine.
Don't worry, sweetie. After our honeymoon, we'll come back to this city to invest in it as a way of giving back to it.
Yeah, brilliant idea. So when are you going back to Port Harcourt?
As soon as I take my bath. It's just a 5 hours drive.
Okay. I'll call you as soon as I get to Abuja.
Alright, baby. Take care of yourself.
I love you.
I love you more. Bye. Joy! Like, I now have a man, a cute one at that, all to myself. Like, I have my own man. Woo!
Would you need hot or cold water to it?
Well, they can make it a bit hot or cold or mix it. I mean, just do whatever you want. Whatever. Okay.
Okay, boss.
Hey. I have a man!
So we are playing the same game. You're looking for someone to love you, and I'm looking for someone to love me. Not for my money, but to love me for me. We are playing the same game, the game of disguise. As everybody's more interested in the money.
It's okay. It's alright. Don't worry. Yes. Any problem?
I'm sorry, sir.
Yes.
I just want to inquire what you would like for dinner. And so.
And what happened to your menu or your timetable?
I mean no disrespect. You didn't eat the food I cooked last night.
Oh, that's actually because I was on diet. Okay, go on with your menu, alright? Alright. I was just talking to the cook. Yes. Yes, Dad. Yes. So you are at the office now?
Yes, I am.
Okay. No problem. Just call me when you're done. I love you.
I will. Take care. Love you.
I love you. Mwah. All right, my love.
To the office, huh?
Yes, please.
Baby, you are going to accompany me to Abuja for a wedding ceremony.
Are you being serious right now?
Oh yes.
Oh my God, that would be great. You know, these are the kind of things I love hearing.
Really?
Mm-hmm. So, who is wedding?
You need to see this guy. He's one of my chairmen. The guy has so much money. When I say he has so much money, he's fully loaded. Yes. Just to give you a faint idea of how loaded he is. I did just a single business transaction with him and I became a millionaire.
Are you kidding me?
I'm telling you.
Oh my God.
Yes. And guess what? He's getting married to an equally loaded woman. A lady in Port Harcourt. Yeah. So your guess is as good as mine. The wedding is going to be a high society one.
I see.
Yes. And attendance is strictly by invitation. Oh yes.
I can't afford to miss it, man. No, I have to be there.
Yes, of course.
You know one fun fact about me is that I've never been to Abuja all my life.
Really?
It sounds funny, right?
Yes, it is.
No, it's the truth. I've never been to Abuja. So it's going to be a golden opportunity for me to use and exploit the Abuja city.
Oh. That means you owe me one. Yes, for giving you the opportunity to explore that beautiful city.
Isn't that what you're supposed to be doing as my boyfriend?
But of course, I'm giving you an opportunity.
Don't worry, I owe you one. And I hope I enjoy myself.
Of course you will. Trust me now. You don't know me again. Anyway, let me show you his picture. He is the CEO of Chikes International PLC. This man has got money. Hi. See his picture.
Okay.
Why are you looking like that?
How did you get me this?
No, why are you laughing? I don't understand. What's funny?
Hey, wait.
You know him.
You want to do me yahoo yahoo?
Why? I don't understand. Why should I do you yahoo yahoo?
The Abuja wedding. Hey, please, I know this guy. This guy is broker than the brokest. He's a very poor church rat. He lives in a dungeon.
Mechonu, Chike, live in a dungeon. Look, let me tell you, the kind of money that this man has If they load it here and you are asked to jump from the top to the ground, you'll be scattered by the time you get to the ground. Chike! Come on. You don't know what I'm talking about.
Let me see it again. Because me,
Hey, Chike. Hey.
But this is chicken now.
Maybe he looks like someone else. Just give me the phone. How can you say Chike is a broke ass? Give me my phone. You don't know whom I'm talking about. Give me my phone now.
This is chicken now.
I am not blind. This is Chike.
Even you too. Please give me my phone. This must be Yahoo Yahoo. Oh, Chike.
Linda, call him on the phone. Just call him.
That's true, Seth. Let me check whether I still have his number.
Okay.
Okay, sir. It's saying the number does not exist.
I am sure this is Chike. Yes.
I doubt it seriously. With my full chest, my sister. Yes. But the way Ribe is going about it sounds so serious. He has even gotten our tickets to Abuja on Friday.
Really?
He said he's one of the committee of friends that we have to be there for the D-Day. So until I get there, I will see things for myself.
Well, we don't have to conclude yet. Maybe it is someone who looks exactly like Chike.
Exactly what I'm saying. Yes. Maybe this person even used filter on this picture. Yes, this cannot be him. Where is he, money?
Don't worry, just relax.
This one.
Weekend is already here. By the time you're in Abuja, you will find out for yourself if he's the one or not.
Bam.
So we don't have to stress ourselves on this.
I'm sure this is Chike. I am very sure. See Chike. It's Chike. Amen. That's Chike.
Man, when I get money, he dey see shit though. He dey see shit though. Man, when I get money, he dey see shit. He dey see shit. Man, when I get money, he dey see shit though. He dey see shit though. Man, when I get money, he dey see shit. He dey see shit. And such from left and right. Nothing when you do go fits him right. People really hide you just because say you don't get money. Hey, now who gets money gets out. Now who gets money gets it. There's your fate. If you don't get money, hide your face. Make you hide your face. Now when you get money, they see shit out.
But it's not. He's no longer here.
When I get money, they see shit. They see shit. If you look at money, you can see shit though. You can see shit though. My woman don't get the money. You can see shit. You can see shit. Women want the money. They know see your fine face. They know see your fine face. What they want is money. If you don't get money, make you hide your face. But now which kind of life be this so? No money, no honey, no money, no love. You joke. If you don't get money, nothing for you. Voila. Now when I get money, you go see shit though. He dey see shit though. Man, when I get the money, he dey see shit. He dey see shit. If you don't get the money, you go see shit though. You go see shit though. If you don't get money, you go see shit. You go see shit.
Nobody's living here anymore. As you can see, the key is locked. Nobody's living here. The landlord sold the house to another person. And the new landlord gave all the tenants quick notice. He wants to use the property for something else. That's it.
But, sorry, do you know when this happened? Like, since when now?
Just like a week or thereabout. Yeah.
Okay. Can you believe what happened today? What? I went to Chike's shop and found out it was locked from outside. Really? I even waited a while to see whether I would see his sales girl. But I didn't see anybody. Are you serious? My sister, as if that was not enough. And I went to that his face me, I face your house. Where he took me to. Okay. Guess what? What? The gate was locked too. It's a lie. Locked? Luckily for me, I met a passerby who told me that the former landlord sold it to a new landlord who sent all the tenants away because he wants to use the place for something. Well, it could be mere coincidence. Yes, because Chike can't be that rich and at the same time that poor. Exactly what I've been saying. Is he a double human being or what? Because this magic, I don't just get it. My sister, the same thing I've been saying. Is he a ghost or something? 1 minute, can never be him. Ever. Shebi weekend is here. When I get there, I'll see things myself now. He's rich now. The only reason I'm actually going there is to prove Eribe wrong. I can't even wait for you to travel to that Abuja. So that I will hear the latest. I can't wait. Seriously, you have to. Weekend should just come, please. He's rich, the next minute is poor. It's not possible.
Man, we no get money. He dey see she do. He dey see she do. Man, we no get money. He dey see she get. He dey see she get. Man, we no get money. He dey see she do. He dey see she do. Man, we no get money. He dey see she get. He dey see she get. And search from left and right. Nothing what you do go fits him right. People gonna avoid you just because say you don't get money. Now who gets money gets mouth. Now who gets money go fit the chauffeur. If you don't get money, hide your face. Make you hide your face. Now we don't get money. They see she down. When I see she down, man, we don't get money. They see she get. They see she get. If you no get money, you see
This is Chike.
This is Chike.
Is this not his sales girl? Chike later married this girl.
This girl. Sales girl. No. This is a multi-millionaire. In fact, she has chains of businesses. Boutique, name it. In fact, one of her businesses, Mara's World, is a household name all over the state.
Stop confusing me, Eribe. What do you mean?
Yes, me, Mbuka. The guy in the house. Yes, Chike is my boss. See, you messed up. See, I mean, they give you cyber, you know, you just the holler, they go everywhere. Chike is my boss. He's a billionaire. He gets so much money. That the way, see, you get every, if you see mansion, because they do that thing, they give you, go the shot, they do everything. See, you know, they do all those things, man, get the best way to love him. Do love. You know, he was coming so close to you, but you are running away, doing all these things. All those things he say they do. Now acting with the act. We don't they act. And be our guy where they see so. Ah, see you now. He messed up. I beg, I gotta go inside.
I don't think I can stay there anymore. I'm going to wait for you at the hotel. I don't know, I'm not feeling fine. I can't stay in there anymore. I don't know how my body is seeing me. I can't even breathe well. Yes. I don't... Bye.
It's okay. You can't kill yourself. The deed has been done already. A mistake that you can only learn from it. Mistake.
Juan, you call this a mistake? No. This can never be a mistake. It's not a mistake anywhere. This is my village people which hunting me. It's not any stupid mistake. Oh.
So, who was witch hunting who here? It's my village people.
It's my village people. They've been pursuing me. Because, tell me, how can I be that foolish? Not to have given that boy, that innocent, cute looking human being a chance. What was in my head? What was I thinking? How could I not have a little clue? No way. I don't know, because right now I just wish I could turn back the hands of time. You know, I just wish I could rewind it. I don't know.
Listen, you can't turn back the hands of time. It's too late. But you can always correct your mistake. At least, next time, learn to listen to people's advice. Because I know I was advising you to listen to that guy, to give him his space. But you were playing adamant. Look at it. Just look at it. What is it? What is it? Linda, what is it?
Juan, he joke. He really joke. I can't breathe.
I can't breathe. Oh. Linda, you're fine. You're fine. Nothing is wrong with you. You're fine. You're fine. You're just thinking too much. Just take a deep breath. You'll be fine. Just.
Juan, am I fine?
You're fine. You're good. Baby girl, you're good.
No, I can't be fine. I'm not fine. Anything. You're just trying to deceive me because I'm not fine. I'm not fine.
I can't deceive you.
Oh, God. Oh. Hey. Oh.
You're talking too much. That is why. Please, calm down. Don't talk again.
Hey.
Just don't talk again. Yes.
You don't need to calm down. There's nothing to calm down here. You know, because I don't know anymore.
I don't know what is wrong with my friend.
Please calm down, eh?
I don't know if she's running mad or not. I don't know. She needs help.
Calm down, eh? I'm here now. I will take care of the situation, okay?
Okay.
Just calm down.
Let's go.
No! Ah! What? Linda! What? Ah! Ah!
What happened?
Linda! Oh my god! Ah! Linda, please don't do this. Linda, please wake up. My best friend is gone. Linda, please wake up. Ah!
Women and material things. She couldn't forgive herself.
Linda, don't do this to me. Linda, please. My best friend, please wake up. Linda, please wake up. Ah! Who do I blame? play with? Who do I just wait? Please. Linda, my friend, please wake up. I'm begging you, wake up. Linda, please wake up. Linda, please wake up. Linda, please wake up. Linda, please wake up. Wake up, please, Linda. Ah! Who do I play with? Who do I date with? I remember. Linda, why did you do this to yourself? Why? You can't always start all over again. There's always a second chance. My girlfriend, why? Why did you do this? Enrique, look at my girlfriend lying dead. Hey! Oh!
Man, when I get money, he dey see she do. He dey see she do. Man, when I get money, he dey see shake it. He dey see shake it. Man, when I get money, he dey see she do. He dey see she do. Man, when I get money, he dey see shake it. He dey see shake it. And then search from left to right. Nothing what you do go fits him right. People gonna avoid you just because say you no get money. Now who get money get mouth? Now who get money go fit the show face? If you no get money hide your face. Make you hide your face. Now when no get money, they see she down. Better see she down. Man when no get money, they see shake it. He they see shake it. If you no get money, you go see she down. You go see she down. Man when no get money, they see shake it. He they see shake it. Women want the money, they no see your fine face. They no see your fine face. What they want is money. If you no get money, make you hide your face. But now which kind of life be this so? No money, no honey, no money, no love. You joke. If you no get money, nothing for you. Voila. Now when I get money, you go see she do. He dey see she do. Man when I get money, he dey see shake it. He dey see shake it. If you no get money, you go see she do. You go see she do. If you no get money, you dey see shake it. You go see shake it. Get money, he dey see she do. He dey see she do. Man when I get the money, he dey see shake it. He dey see shake it. Man when I get the money, he dey see she do. He dey see she do. Man when I get the money, he dey see shake it. He dey see shake it. And then search from left to right. Nothing what you do go fits him right. People gonna avoid you just because say you no get money. Now who get money get mouth? Now who get money go fit the show face? If you no get money hide your face. Make you hide your face. Now when no get money, they see she down. Better see she down. Man when no get money, they see shake it. He they see shake it. If you no get money, you go see she down. You go see she down. Man when no get the money, they see shake it. He they see shake it. Women want the money, they no see your fine face. They no see your fine face. What they want is money. If you no get money, make you hide your face. But now which kind of life be this so? No money, no honey, no money, no love. You joke. If you no get money, nothing for you. Voila. Now when I get money, you go see she do. He dey see she do. Man when I get the money, he dey see shake it. He dey see shake it. If you no get the money, you go see she do. You go see shake it. If you not get money, they see shake it, shake it. You go see shake it. Oh yeah. Man, we no get money. You dey see she do. You dey see she do. Man, we no get the money. You dey see shake it, shake it. You dey see shake it. Man, we no get the money. You dey see she do. You dey see she do. Man, we no get the money. You dey see shake it, shake it. You dey see shake it. And insult from left to right. Nothing what you do go fit seem right. People gonna avoid you just because say you no get money. Now who get money get mouth? Now who get money go fit the show face? If you no get money hide your face. Make you hide your face. Now we no get money. They see she down. Better see she down. Man we no get money. They see shake it, shake it. They see shake it. If you no get money, you go see she down. You go see she down. Man we no get the money. They see shake it, shake it. They see shake it. Women want the money. They no see your fine face. They no see your fine face. What they want is money. If you no get money, make you hide your face. But now which kind of life be this so? No money, no honey, no money, no love. You joke. If you no get money, nothing for you. Voila. Now we no get money. You dey see she do. You dey see she do. Man we no get the money. You dey see shake it, shake it. You dey see shake it. If you no get the money, you go see she do. You go see she do. If you no get money, you dey see shake it, shake it. You go see shake it.